I'm Jill Stoppel-Davis. I'm the owner of Excel Wellness Studio here in Overland Park, Kansas. We're a boutique, private personal training studio, and we love working with busy people, busy moms, juggling kids and career, busy professionals, busy parents that either are intimidated by the gym, feel like they don't have time for it, and don't know what to do. So what we do here is you walk in the door, we take care of the rest. We keep your workouts super efficient. You're not spending hours in the gym. And we just help you figure out how to feel better, look better, and get your energy back. You know, you're never just a number. I like to compare us to the big box gyms where no one really knows you. You kind of walk in and are never seen. We check up on you if you're not coming, if you're not getting your workouts in. So we really care that you're getting results, and we do everything we can to help you get those results and to feel better. So where do I find inspiration? From a lot of different places. You know, creativity in here is coming up with new programs to help people. So a lot of it comes from kind of like what I'm doing with myself personally, my own personal journey, and the people that I'm working one-on-one with and what they need. There's so much new and misinformation that comes out in our industry. So I'm always, you know, reading journals, keeping up on what our clientele is seeing on social media, and just ideas flow to me a lot of times when I'm working out. Okay, so what's more important to me, the look and feel of my space or the functionality? It's really important to have both because I want people to come in and feel welcomed. A clean space, especially in my industry, is super important. So just come in and feel bright and energized and clean. I have 10 teammates here working with me, and at busier times we have to have a lot of functionality and a lot of ability to move around. There's not a day that I dread or hate coming to work or working with my people, so I think that's a great place to be. It wasn't always so, but I'm really careful with the energy that I surround myself with, and the people that we work with have amazing energy, and they're always so thankful and happy when they leave that that's always worth it. That brightens my day.